Will your LinkedIn connections last forever? Will it be happily ever after with every person you connect with on LinkedIn? Unfortunately or fortunately, depending on your point of view, the answer is no. A lot of people will connect with you for various different reasons. Some people just want to spam you, so you might be the ones clicking the unconnect button and getting rid of them so you don't get any more spam messages in your inbox. Another way what might happen is you're posting some content and you're greatly offending one of your audience members and they're like instantly disconnect, unfollow. I don't want to hear the person ever again. Even better, let's block them altogether. I don't want to see them any time ever again. And all of this is perfectly fine. You have to see when you're getting on LinkedIn, and especially if you are creating content, no matter how careful you are, you will always piss someone off. For some people are super sensitive, some people don't mind, and the more outgoing you are, the more yourself you are, the more topics you're talking about, it's almost guaranteed that you will find one person being offended about something. You might create 99 posts and one person is perfectly fine, and then they're getting upset about a nuanced detail, and after post 100 they unfollow you. So I wouldn't think so much about this. Just see it as human nature. Nothing lasts forever. Instead, focus on actually getting more people who resonate with all you have to share. Because what happens if you just share your honest content, you get a ton of people, hey, this is exactly what I like. And the more you share, those connections become stronger and last longer. If you only talk about one topic at the beginning, the person might say, hey, I only followed you for topic A. If you start talking about more topics, B, C, D, and then some people will say, hey, I only want to see content A, I don't want to see content B. But the people who know that you talk about A, B, C, D, E, and they still follow you, they're most likely to stay with you for a really long time, for years to come, maybe even some forever. Now, if you're looking for some guidance for what topics to talk about, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Leads Bootcamp. It's a 21-day immersive program that teaches you how to build a complete LinkedIn strategy from scratch. It tells you how to find your audience and how to find the topics that are resonating the most with them. So if you're following this formula, you will actually find topics that are low risk of offending a lot of people, and it will really help you attracting people who will turn from follower into lead, into buyer. I'm going to put a link to the LinkedIn Leads Bootcamp in the description and in the pinned comment below, and I see you in the next one. Bye.